Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to create a notebook as well as a page in the firm view. So as we are in the students application, we can find that different pages such as admission details, then the personal details, we have the previous education. So altogether, it's known as a notebook. So in order to create a notebook in Odoo, you can just move on to the pie chart and we can choose the student application over here. So as you just drag down, you would be able to find the student application. Here first, let me select the student application from here. Okay, and here we go. Once it's done here, I'm going to use the notebook tag. So here you can see that you can simply search for notebook over here. Provide the notebook tag. And once it's done, if you have any doubt regarding the providing of the notebook tag, you can simply search for it. Use Control Shift F and you can see that we can search for the notebook. So upon clicking on notebook, this would show you how we need to provide the notebook. You can find the page and everything. Right now, let me move on to the university application over here. Okay, and in the university application right now, let me run it and let's see how this is going to take place in the university application. So you can just run your module and let's wait for a while in order to get the result over here. Okay, you can move on to the admissions and under that you can find the application and you would be able to see nothing has happened over there. Now again, let's move on and let's see how can we add a page inside this. So I'm going to add a page over here. Let's say I'll be adding the page and let's click on enter. Again, let me click on let me rent the file and afterwards let's move on to the apps and here we can just upgrade this. So once it's done, you can find the change over here. Okay, so I'm going to see that whether we'll be getting any change over here. Yes, we can see that a page is created over here. Now let's create different pages. So we need to create the page such as the admission details, personal details, and previous education. Okay, so here what I'll be doing is I'll be moving on to the pie chart and from here I have to set a string as I just want to set the admission details visible over there. I'll be using the page parameter which is string and here we can give it as admission details. So once it's done, if you just want to add any other page over here, you can also add the page and provide the name. So here page string with the details as personal details. And once it's done, you also just need to get the other page with the previous education. So if you have any doubt or if you want to get a clarity, you can just want to the admissions and under that you would be able to see that we have the previous education. Okay, so let's navigate into here. I'm not here. Let's move on to the pie chart and let me set the page over here with a string equal to previous education. Okay, once it's done, you can click on, run the Odoo 19 and you can just move on to here and we need to upgrade all the changes. So for that, I'll be moving over here and let me click on upgrade and we can see that all the pages as well as the notebook will be created over there and you would be able to find the page which has been created. So upon moving on to the admission, you can find the application from there. I'll be choosing the application and you can see we have created the admission details, personal details, as well as previous education. Now inside this I just want to add the admission details over here. So what I'll be doing is as I just want to the university, in the university we can find a details called admission details, right? And afterwards we have different fields over here. So I'll be grouping everything over here. Okay, so let's move on and let me add the group, and for that I'll be adding the group string over here. So let's add the group over here. So once we add the group, you can click on enter, and afterwards what I'll be doing is I'll be providing it as we'll be providing the group parameter, which is string, and here we just need to set it as admission details. So once it's done, you can see that you can simply add all these details, and let's move on over here and let me provide it. Okay, afterwards I just want to add the fields just after this. So I'll be using the field name over here. So let's say I just want to add certain fields. So here you can see I'm going to add the fields such as the academic year, the admission date, and company. So in this case, we need to know all these fields. So for that, you can just move on to the PyCharm again. So first field I'm going to give is the academic year. So here you can find its field name, and let's provide it over here. And once it's 10, you can just close this, and later on let me move on with the other field, which is date. So you can just provide it over here, and I'm going to change the date. It's admission date. Hopefully we can see that it is admission date. Yeah, we can just give it over here, and let's provide it. Later on you can see that I'm going to set the country. So not the country, it's the company ID. So I'll be choosing the field from here, or you can just move on and let me paste it over here, and afterwards I'll be providing the company ID because we want to provide the name of the company. So once it's done, let's use Control A, Control Alt L, and afterwards we can just run this in order to get the change over here. And let's move on to the apps, and here we go that we are going to upgrade the module, and you would be able to see that we'll be getting the result. So you can see that all the things will be added under the university application, and you can find that we have added the admission details, the academic year, as well as the admission date and the company. Now we need to add certain details over here. As we are using the demo data will be showing over here, and now in this case we want to add the different fields such as the course, then batch, department, semester. So let's add it. So as this belongs to this section, we need to group this with fields with a separate group tag over there. So let's move on to here, and again let me use a group tag. So one group contain these fields and the other group contain rest of the fields. So here I'll be using the group tag, and inside that I'll be providing the field such as the course ID. So here we can use the course. Yeah, let me provide everything. We have 4 fields over there. So first let me set it everything, and afterwards I'll be doing the changes. So use Control A, Control Alt L, and here first we want to get the course. So here you can find that the course ID is being given over here. Then later we have the department ID, batch ID, semester ID, right? So course ID will be providing over here, and later on I'll be providing the department ID as a field name. If you have any doubt regarding the spelling, or when you're just giving the name manually, you might be getting spelling mistakes. So it is recommended to copy and paste everything over here in order to avoid the spelling mistake. Now we have provided the semester. Now we need to get the batch. So we'll be moving over here and we'll be providing the batch. And once it's done, you can see that we are going to just run this, and we'll be moving on to here, and from there I'll be moving with upgrading of the module, and you can see that we'll be updating the module. and you would be able to find the change under the admission application. We are getting the course, department, semester, but we are not getting in a proper way, right? Why is it so? So we need to do something with this, right? So let's solve this issue why we are not getting. Now move on to the pie chart, and from here we can just set a group, a parent group. And here we can just close the group. Okay. And let's see the result. So let's run the Odoo 19 again, move on to the apps, and again let me click on upgrade, and let's see whether we'll be getting the result or not. So upon moving on to the admission application, here we go that we are getting the result, right? So here still we are getting an issue. It's just above over here, and the details are not aligned properly, right? Now we need to fix that issue. The issue that we are getting over here is we have just given a wrong group over here. So as we just move on to the PyCharm here, you would be able to see that we need to remove that group. So I'll be removing that group, and yes, now let's set everything again. Let me run it, and you can just move on to the apps over here, and we can just click on upgrade, and you just need to give I mean, you can see that it will be getting upgraded over here and will be getting the correct details, and under the application you can find that we are getting everything properly. Now under the personal details you just need to add the details, and under the previous information also you just need to add. So this is a task that I'm giving for you, so you just need to complete it in order to move on to the next topic. So I'll show you the fields that you just need to add over here. So upon moving on to the applications, here you can see that we have the personal details. You just need to add the personal details such as the date of birth, gender, father, mother, guardian, the blood group, nationality, mother tongue, religion, and caste, as well as you need to section the contact details with the email and phone number, and you also just need to add the contact address over here as well as the permanent address. And in next video we'll be talking about how to hide the this field. Like currently when you just uncheck the fields over here, you would be able to see that the permanent address field is showing. So you just need to create everything over here, and in next video I'll be showing how to hide a field that's a permanent address upon enabling the permanent address over here. Okay, and you can also see that upon moving on to the previous education, you would be able to find that we have different fields such as the previous institution, previous result, and previous course. You need to add all these under your your module. And that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And before winding up this video, I would like to introduce Mobo, where you can take your inventory, sales, CRM, or any of the Odoo application into your fingertips. So Mobo will let you to manage your business anytime, anywhere, and you can just get the Mobo from the Play Store or App Store. So thank you for watching the video.